Kanagiri Educational Management Program presents diagrams of Chapter 2, Respiration. We have made a series of videos. I think that is going to help for 10th class students of AP and Telangana. I hope that these videos certainly is going to helpful, and then you can acquire good knowledge over these videos. So I think I'm very happy to present now on respiration. So chapter 2, respiration. So the definition of respiration: the act of inhaling and exhaling air in order to exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide. So this is known as respiration. So again we are discussing definition. The breaking down of food substrate, mainly glucose, in the presence or absence of oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP and carbon dioxide in the cells of organism is termed respiration. So we have different types of respiration over here. Aerobic respirations require presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, the name itself says, does not require presence of oxygen at all. And then what the chemical equation? C is carbon, H for hydrogen, O for oxygen. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP. Here C6H12O6 is sugar, so that is known as glucose. So O2 means oxygen, CO2 you know very well, carbon dioxide. The end products are carbon dioxide, water and usable energy, that is ATP. Adenosine triphosphate, we say ATP, full form. So reactant and then products. So this is the basic chemical equation of the respiration. And then steps in respiration, we have series of flow diagram over here. So breathing, so then gaseous exchange at lungs will take place, gas transport by blood, gases exchange at tissue level, and then finally cellular respiration. Here let us observe the pathway of air from nostrils to alveoli. Here the clear shows how the action has been taken place in respiratory system of man. Here we see the flow chart again: nostrils, and then nasal activity, pharynx, and then from pharynx to larynx, and then larynx to trachea, trachea to bronchus, bronchus to bronchiolus and alveolus, and then finally blood. So here whatever the things we have clearly mentioned, so you can see the diagram over here. You can see nasal cavity, nostril, epiglottis, pharynx and larynx, trachea and bronchi, bronchiolus, and then lungs as well. And then the enlarged portion, here capillaries in which O2 and CO2 exchange occur. So alveoli. So this I think that has been enlarged over there. And then air usually enters the body through the nostrils. So here we say how it goes. Air is filtered. The hairs growing from its sides remove some of the tiny particles of dirt in the air. In addition, as the inhaled air passes through the nasal cavity, its temperature is brought close to that of the body. Again, now we will dealing with the pharynx. Pharynx, warming and moisturing goes on in this common passage of digestive and respiratory system. Epiglottis, a flap-like muscular valve, controls movement of food and air. The stiff box contains our vocal cords. When air passes out of the lungs and over the vocal cords, it causes them to vibrate. This produces sounds on the basis of our speech, songs, etc. Trachea, windpipe channeling air to lungs. Touch your throat, feel that tube-like structure. And then trachea, windpipe channeling air to lungs. Touch your throat to feel the tube-like structure. And bronchus, at its lower end of the trachea or the windpipe divides into two bronchi, one leading to each lung. Bronchioles, each bronchi is divided into smaller branches called bronchioles. So when air passes, the whole passage from nostril to alveolus is moist. Alveolus in the lungs, which are small, numerous, gases exchange take place here as blood capillaries take up O2 and expel carbon dioxide. Blood carries oxygen to each and every cell of the body and collects carbon dioxide from them. So this is again the flow chart. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, again it goes to larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, and then alveolus, and then blood. With this, I think we are clear. Now it's over about the respiration. I say thank you very much.